You already know what a bad AI receptionist sounds like. It has those awkward pauses, it has that flat, monotone voice, and there's always that awkward silence when you're not sure whose turn it is. But now, listen to mine instead.
Thanks for calling Brightway Dental. This is Ashley. How can I help?
Hey Ashley, how's it going today?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. How can I help you today?
Can you tell me about some of the services that you offer?
Absolutely. We handle a full range of plumbing services, including leak repairs, drain cleaning, water heater installation and repair, pipe replacements, fixture installations, and general maintenance. If you have a specific issue or project in mind, just let me know and I can give you more details.
Are you able to book appointments?
Yes, I can help you book an appointment. Would you like to set something up?
Now, those are the kind of voice receptionists that I build, and none of my callers have ever been able to tell that it's AI. And it's not because I'm very good at prompting, it's because I know the best settings that nobody thinks about. I'm talking about back channeling, voice speed, latency, sensitivity, the exact settings that stop these awkward pauses that make it actually speak like a human and give it emotions. Now, today I'm going to talk about all these different settings, including one of the most important ones that nobody thinks about. Let's jump into it. So the software that I use to build all of my voice AI receptionists is called Go High Level. If you're not using Go High Level and you're trying to run an AI agency, you are completely wasting your time. This is the only tool that you need to scale to 10 to 15 to $20,000 a month, and there's nothing else. It will do everything you as an agency needs for yourself and for your clients as well. But this is not going to be a video about Go High Level. At the end, I'll tell you how to sign up and actually follow along with this. But for now, I'm going to show you the exact settings that I use to build amazing voice AI receptionists. So we're going to go to the voice AI tab at the very top over here. I'm going to open up a sample receptionist that I have. Let's open up this one called Jeffrey. Now, here on the left-hand side, this is the prompt. You're probably very familiar with writing prompts. You want to give it all the best instructions that you can so it answers everything as it should. However, the part that most people miss is all of this stuff over here, which looks like fluff, but it's actually the most important thing that you have to make your receptionist sound like a human being. So here you've got things like call settings, right? And these are things you might not expect, but like how long should the AI receptionist stay quiet before it interrupts or before it says, hey, are you still there? This is the really fun stuff. This is the agent behavior right over here. Now, instead of you guessing what the best settings are, what I've gone ahead and done is put together this amazing document that basically outlines the most optimal settings based on what is tried and tested for our own agency. So I actually sell these receptionists, and we've tinkered with every setting you can imagine. And we found out what the best combination is to make the most real sounding agent. From the voice, the response speed, to the interruption sensitivity. I'm going to give this 100% for free to you if you stick around near the end. But let me show you some examples over here. So let's start with agent behavior, which I have opened up right here. So response speed, you set to number 1. Then for dynamic response, you tick that on. Then coming back, interruption sensitivity. And I also give you reasons why these things matter over here. So for example, if someone is saying like a filler word like yes, or you don't want the agent to stop and lose its train of thought. You want it to continue saying its answer. So we want to limit how sensitive it is to interruptions. So for this, I would put zero point 0.5 over here. LLM temperature. Back channeling is a massive one. This is one of the biggest humanness upgrades that Go High Level have. This adds filler words. So as it's talking, it's going to say things like sure, apparently, actually, and you can actually add these yourself. So go here, enable back channeling, and then you can actually choose how frequently it comes on. So if you turn this all the way up, it's going to say it pretty frequently. And you can even add your own custom back channel words, which is super cool and makes it as real as possible. So if you're from a certain town or a city where everyone has like a specific way of speaking, add that in over here so it mirrors how the people calling actually speak. Let's come back over here, see what else we have. So this is a super underrated one, like the pronunciation dictionary. So if you have a unique sounding name, or if there's something like your city name, for example, has a hard pronunciation, put that in as a custom pronunciation. So the AI doesn't sound all weird when it's trying to say something that's pretty normal. Here at the very top, things that also matter are background sound. This is super important. I'm not sure if you caught that in my demo, but in the background, there was like typing and calling, and it sounded like an office or a call center. Go High Level have actually added that in. I think it's under voice settings over here. So you can actually choose a background sound, which is super cool. You can do coffee shop or convention hall or outdoors. I like to do call center, and in here you can choose what level it actually shows up at. Now, of course, I recommend just following my settings that I have over here because you don't want to be messing around and guessing with this stuff. You want to make sure that your agent sounds as good as possible when you demo it to the client for the first time and blow them away. There's a whole bunch of other settings over here. I recommend you go through each one of these and get familiar and comfortable with them because it's going to make a massive difference in terms of your output. Now, if you're new to this whole AI agency stuff, you don't have any clients or many clients yet, you want to get started, I highly recommend that you get a software over here called Go High Level. It is the most powerful all-in-one tool that exists on the market. If you want to learn directly from me as well, I do have a private mastermind group and a free course that teaches you all about this stuff, including how to start your own agency, how to master Go High Level, how to build these automations. We even do live calls as well. So you can join office hours. You can ask me any questions live. And you also get access to all of these resources for free. So all these documents that I have, everything you've seen on my YouTube channel, my pre-built automations, my sales scripts, my workflows, all of that stuff you get completely for free inside of my mastermind. And the only way to join this mastermind is to actually sign up for Go High Level, this software, using my link in the description. That's all you have to do. Once you do that, you will become an affiliate of mine. You will get a private invite to my mastermind community where you can come learn from me and access all of my resources. To start your 30-day free trial, I will teach you how to start an agency in those 30 days, how to land your first customer so the software pays for itself once you actually are ready to commit to this business model. You can also meet the hundreds of people who've gotten such great results inside of the group, getting all these clients, getting their second client in the first 2 days of joining. All of these results right here. You can meet with these people, ask them questions, get to know them, and actually foster that network that you've been looking for if you wanted to build an online business.